Gingerbread is here for the holidays. It's time for Ajazz Tech. Hello and welcome to Ajazz Tech. I'm your host, Alex Arnosky. On November 14th, I was happy to discover a tiny pop-up message on my Droid Incredible. After 3 long months of being teased with the possibility that I'd receive a Gingerbread update, I finally did. Android 2.3.4 came in an 88MB download size with minor icon tweaks and a faster interface performance. It took about 10 minutes to complete the process with 0 hitches. Now I'm part of the club, but will I be part of the Ice Cream Sandwich Club? I doubt it. The best thing that Google can do is defragment their ecosystem by giving everyone the latest version of Android. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we'll have to wait and see. Whenever I buy a new device, a phone, tablet, or handheld, I typically take a few measures to protect my investment by adding screen protectors or cases. I know of a few people who could use a ballistic solution, something waterproof and extremely shock-proof, but how do you know those products actually do what they claim? The folks over at G-Form, who make the protective padding for humans and now tablets, have proven that their product can handle a thorough beating. A video of 2 dudes jumping out of an airplane watching movies on their iPads can be found online. When the skydivers reach 1,300 feet, they drop the iPads protected by none other than the G-Form's Extreme portfolio cases. After touchdown, they retrieved their iPads, which were still functioning normally, playing the movies they were watching as they were falling. On November 15th, the Xbox turned 10. Bill Gates unveiled one of the most influential gaming consoles on the market that day. The Xbox went from having a Pentium 3 on the original to a custom-designed PowerPC-based triple-core processor. The platform has brought us the joy of LAN gaming, Xbox Live, the Kinect, downloadable games and content, and I'd have to say some pretty sweet franchises like Halo and Gears of War. Windows 8 is due out in the beginning of next year, and a very large chunk of the internet traffic still comes from Windows XP. The good news is that Windows 8 hopes to combine both the tablet and desktop space. And as of recently, reports say that it's not coming to the phone. Well, the real story here is that if you are a Windows user, you are prone to a slurry of attacks. It's just a fact of life. Windows 8 hopes to make your system safer by forcing users to reboot at least once per month to make sure the updates get applied. After 72 hours of reminders, the system will automatically restart when the system is idle. I think it's a good thing, as I know many people who refuse to update their Windows machines at all. Finally, Intel celebrated a milestone. As of November 15th, it had been 40 years since Intel introduced the first commercially available CPU. In 1969, Intel was approached by Japan's Nippon Calculating Machine Corporation and was asked to make a chip. It contained 2,300 MOS transistors and had a mere 740 kilohertz of power. It was constructed from a single piece of silicon, which for back then was a definite milestone in CPU manufacturing and architecture. Well, that's all for this episode of Ajazz Tech. You can find all of our podcasts at ajazz16.typepad.com. Follow me at twitter.com/ajazz16 and search for my name on Google+. You can email me at ajazzproductions@gmail.com.